How do you know when chicken is fully cooked?
Hello, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss an essential topic in the kitchen: how to know when chicken is fully cooked. This is a critical skill, as undercooked chicken can pose health risks while overcooked chicken can be dry and tough.
Why is it important to fully cook chicken?
Cooking chicken fully is vital for food safety. Raw and undercooked chicken can contain harmful bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter. Consuming undercooked chicken can lead to foodborne illnesses. The key to safety and deliciousness lies in ensuring your chicken is perfectly cooked.
What is the recommended internal temperature?
According to food safety guidelines, chicken should be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. The best way to measure this is by using a food thermometer. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the meat, avoiding bone, to get an accurate reading.
Are there other visual cues?
Yes, there are visual cues to help determine if your chicken is cooked. The chicken should have a uniform color throughout, typically a white or off-white for chicken breast, and more grayish-brown for dark meat. Another sign is when the juices run clear. If you pierce the chicken and the juices are clear, not pink, it's usually a good indicator that the chicken is fully cooked.
How about the texture?
The texture of fully cooked chicken is also distinctive. It should be firm but not rubbery. If it feels very soft or jiggly, it might need more cooking time. So, remember, the safest way to know if your chicken is fully cooked is to use a food thermometer and check for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. But in the absence of a thermometer, visual cues like color and clear juices, coupled with a firm texture, can be helpful guides. Thanks for joining today's culinary tutorial, and here's to perfectly cooked chicken every time. Enjoy your cooking adventures.